Ja, ich bin schnell. Kau langsam, so langsam. Kami diri guys. Nagguba akong laptop guys. Nagguba. Pinahanglan ko mo palit among-among ng YouTube. Tawaray. Dali na yang para masuod na tayang. Hinayang. Ito nas dada dito. Ha? Hayang. Anas dada, nakapalit na. Eh, nagkupa. YouTube pa more. YouTube pa more da. Naat pa more.
Goede vraag, nog wat smukt met is? Dan zijn we zo himbeerbroekje, hè? Dan de ertbeerbroekje.
Wassermelone.
Dat is wel wat.
Hi guys, so this is another edition of Apple products from Family Frei. Let me quickly introduce you our oldest member of the family. It's almost 10 years old.
Hi guys!
Go! Hi guys, it's me, the Family Frei, one of the Family Frei member and my assistant from the Family Frei. And let me introduce you.
Go.
Hi guys! Welcome to the unboxing. Hi guys! Welcome to the Frei Family channel, and thank you very much for clicking, subscribing, watching, notifying, whatever you want. But today is a special day. It's unboxing time with my assistant Leah. So let me introduce you first the old MacBook Air we had. This is one of the first editions MacBook Air. It's about 11 years old.
11 years old.
8 years old only. Oh, sorry for the misinformation, but it broke down this morning. So we cannot use the trackpad anymore. You see, none of the letters function. The entire keyboard is stuck, and the trackpad doesn't work anymore.
Kung i-repair ni mo.
Sayang. So we went to the shop, of course, and we asked what would it mean if we will let this repair. And they said it's about 300 to 400 Swiss francs, equivalent to $300 to $400. And that's a lot of money. And they said they are not even sure if they can repair it, since the trackpad is also broken down. It is also destroyed. Doesn't work anymore. So that's why we said we need to evaluate. For a longer time we were evaluating between the new iMac and the new MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So we went into the shop, we asked for some advice, and also Jai, of course, would like also to use the MacBook Air for her YouTube channel and for her work. So that's why this guy broke down, because a lot of work to do, and that's why. So we are ready to, because of the YouTube. So now we are ready to show you this guy, and I will explain you why we chose this and what the the Apple person told us, the technician, why we should choose this over the other. So you see, it's a MacBook Air. It's a MacBook Air. So Apple is very kind. Before they didn't have this slip
Leah,
and it was difficult to unbox. So Leah, kannst du aufziehen? Kannst du das ziehen? Good. Okay. Now you can open this one.
Leah.
Assistant,
Bitte.
open this. Thank you. Thank you. Slowly. Okay, open the box. Good. So, of course, now I will give you some details. This is the MacBook Air with Retina display, 13 inches, and it's 18 cores. It's 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is good, and it has the new M1 chip of Apple. No more Intel chip, M1. So this is
It's
one.
better than the Intel, or what?
Yeah, they claim that it is better. So they said if we are happy with the performance of this one, we will be much happier with this one because it has more RAM and it has the new chip. So it has also 256 gigabyte of storage, and the old one had only 128 gigabyte of storage.
Huh?
This one has only 128 gigabytes of storage.
But we're not saving the unsa may ato, cloud or
Yeah, we are using the cloud. So this is how it looks like. Achtung. So the actual difference between
basag kunitin na lang.
the actual difference between the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air is that the MacBook Pro has sometimes an Intel chip, which is a little bit slower than the M1, and it has here a touch bar.
English is the main language.
And so they said this touch bar is not always so super convenient. So
Wala ito ang latest.
yes, and they advised us to get the MacBook Air since it is $300 to $400 less. Imagine that, than MacBook Pro, and with the same details. Check the details; they're almost the same, and expect that the MacBook Pro has a longer battery life and a couple of technical details are better. But other than that, you should be very fine and happy if you are not working as a professional with iMovies or with Photoshop, or really working as a designer. You should be fine. Of course, iMovies and all the other video software works on this perfectly fine. But if you are just like us, a little bit streaming, a little bit uploading, a little bit editing, you will be more than happy with this one. So we are very happy with this, and it's the silver color, and it really looks like a MacBook Pro. So I will tell to my friends I have a MacBook Pro. No, just kidding. Just kidding. And it is it is lighter than MacBook Pro, which is also something, but it is heavier. It is heavier than the MacBook Air, I believe. It seems like this is heavier, and it's about
That's also
almost the same size. This is 13.3 inches and this is 13. You see, they changed it a bit. Let's open the...
what 13 point what?
This is 13.3 inches and this is 13 inches. So you see, the design is almost entirely the same. We have a touch here, so we can log in. We can log in with our fingerprint, and so
Fingerprint.
yeah. So it's like on your cell phone, and the rest is almost entirely the same. The trackpad is a little bit larger, and
Bigger man, not much bigger.
yes. So at the end, it's almost the same. But you see here, you have the speakers here, and you got them here. So yeah, that's it. And we will show you more along the way, and we will give you a feedback on our MacBook Air, how we find it. And assistant, these are your stickers. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.